Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be looking at Shell Navigation OXOO dot, and I'll be teaching you how to get all the tasks correctly. Yup, all of this. We'll be looking at all of this in this video. Let's begin. So Shell Navigation is the topic of today. To start, firstly, you have to go through all of these. You have to go through all of these resources. I won't be doing that now because of the time of this video, but read through all of that to get a proper understanding. I'll just be showing you what I did. I'll be showing you the correct things to be sure of your answers. So firstly, the quiz questions. So which command should you use to display the content of a file? That is ls. So ls right here. Moving on, which command should you use to rename or move a file or directory? mv is the command. Which command should you use to delete a directory? rmdir, that's remove directory. Which command should you use to create an empty file? Touch, simply like that. Which command should you use to list all the files of your current directory? ls, simple. Which command should you use to change directory? cd, that's change directory. Which command should you use to copy a file or directory? cp. Yes. Which command should you use to delete a file or directory if additional argument? rm, that's remove. Which command should you use to display the current path of your directory? pwd, that's print working directory. Then which command should you use to create a directory? mkdir, make directory. So that is all of that. Now we are moving on to the tasks. So for create me, let's first read on the instruction, then we'll look at the terminal. So firstly, it says access your sandbox and change your working directory to root. Change your working directory to root, to the root directory. After that, then I'll show you how to create an empty file. It's called so cool. So yes, we'll change your working directory to root. I'll show you how to do that. Then to create an empty file called so cool. So firstly, come here and click on get a sandbox. Click on that, then click on web term to open your web terminal. So it's right here. So to change your directory to the root directory, type cd then root. That's all. Cd then root, then hit enter, and then you've done that. Cd change directory then root. So next up is to create a file. Let me just go back and check it right here. Remove this. Create a file and create an empty file called so cool. To do that, you use the touch command. That is touch, then the name of the file you want to create. That is so_cool. That's that. Then hit enter. So to check that you've done the correct thing, type ls. So you see it here, so cool. It is there. That means you've done the right thing. Let's go back. So from here you click on check your code. Check your code to check that, so I can show you that I've done the correct thing. Start a new test right there. So just wait for it. There we go. Check 0, check 1, all correct. So let's move on. We'll close this and we'll move to the next tasks. So the next task is more of me right here. So the instruction is to access your sandbox and change your working directory to root, then copy the file school to temp. That is tmp is called temp. So once copy school to tmp, this copy school to the tmp directory. I'll be showing you how to do that right now. So So firstly, go back to your terminal right here. Okay, so we're in the root directory now. So to copy that file, type cp. So once copy this file, this school file. So you first type the name of the file. So cp is copy. Cp school to the directory again, sorry, slash tmp. You're copying school to tmp. So that's it. Then hit enter, and it has done that. It has done that successfully. To check, you simply first change your directory to temp. So that's your tmp directory. That's cd slash tmp. Sorry, tmp. Then hit enter. We're here now. Then hit ls to list all the files that are here. So you can see your school file inside here, which means we have done the correct thing. So let's go back and check that our code is correct. From here, click on check your code, then start a new test, and then it will show you that God, this thing takes time, sure. just be patient. Aha, there we go. So you can see it's all checked. That means it is correct. So let's move on to the next task. So the next task is too old. So we need to change your working directory to root, then rename the file old school to new school. They are both in the same directory. Then change the file old school to new school. So let's go back to the terminal. They say you should change to root. So that's cd, then root, then hit enter. Cd / then root. Then you're now in the root directory. So we're meant to rename old school to new school in the same directory. So that means don't copy it to another place. So how you would do that, old school to new school, remember the command mv. So type the old name, that is old school. Then we're moving to the same directory, so you don't need to create a new directory, just type the name of the new file. So that is new, then school. So there's a mistake here. School. There we go. So mv old school new school, then hit enter, then ls, hit enter. So you can see there's no old school again. There's no old school, there's now new school right here. So let's go back to our code. I'll just come right here and hit check your code, then click start a new test to show you that it is correct. Patience again, patience people, patience. And there we go. That means we are correct. So let's move on to the next task. That is not here. So the instruction is change your working directory to root directory. Then move the file not here to tmp, then write school. So let me copy this. Let me just grab this and copy this so it will be easy when to type it next time. Copy that. So I'm moving not here to that directory. So let's go ahead and do that. So see the file here, not here. So we are going to move this not here to tmp slash what we copy there. So mv, then not here. That's the name of the file that you want to copy, that you want to move, sorry. Not here, then Ctrl+Shift+V to paste. Ctrl+Shift+V to paste. So you're moving not here to temp, then to write school. Then it's done. That's it. So let's check this root directory to check if inside. So you can see not here is, well, not here anymore. So basically we've done the correct thing. So that's this not here has been moved to tmp write school. So let's check the checkout to check that we're correct. Check your code, then start new test. Let's go, people. Let's go, people. Let's go, people. Just wait, just hold on. Patience, people, patience. There you go. We're all correct. So let's move on to the next task. Number 4, not anymore. Subscribe now. Subscribe right now. But let's move on. Okay, so change your working directory to the root directory, then delete the file ready to be removed. So firstly, go back to your terminal. So first change your directory to root directory, that is cd, then root. This will take you to the root directory no matter where you are. Then ls is the file. Okay, yeah, ready to remove is right there. See, it's there. So want to delete this. So let me show you how that's done. So remember, okay, this is a file. This is not a directory. So you just write rm to remove a file. So then the name of the file that you want to remove, ready to be removed. So type it ready to be removed. You could have just copied this though if you don't want to type. I made a mistake there. I'm just removed, so you can copy it if you don't want to be typing all this. But that's how it is, people. So you want to delete ready to be removed, hit enter. So ls again to check if your file is here. So ls, and it is not here. It's no longer here. That means it has been deleted. So go back. Let's click on check your code, then start a new test to prove that we've done the correct thing, and just wait again. Patience. And there we go. Check 0, check 1. Patiently. I know where. So it's correct. So let's close this and let's move on to the next thing. Organization is key. So change your working directory to root, then create a directory. School is amazing. Whether you believe it or not, you are going to create it because that's what they want. So school is amazing. Remember now, you are creating a directory, not a file. So we want to create a directory called school is amazing. So copy this, move to your terminal. So we're in the root directory now. You see that tilde sign before the hash. It shows that we're in the root, but just to be safe, just cd, then your /, then root, root, then hit enter. So now we are very sure we're in the root. There's nothing cannot do anything. So let's continue. So to create a directory is mkdir. So that's make directory. Then the name of the directory, Ctrl+Shift+V to paste it. then simply hit enter. Then it has created the directory. So type ls to check it. So there you go, school is amazing right there, which means we've done the correct thing, which means you've done the correct thing. Good. So let's just go back to the project and hit check your code, then start a new test, so I can show you that we've done the correct thing. So it's going, it's running from you. Okay, it's all checked, so we can close this right here, then the last, I believe this is the last task. Yes, okay, this is the last task. So like this video if you're liking it already and subscribe. So let's continue. The instruction is to change your working directory to root, then remove the directory empty directory. So now I want to remove a directory, empty directory, copy the name of this, then go back to your terminal. So we are in the root, we didn't move out of this root. So to remove a directory, can you remember the command? The command is rmdir, that is to delete a directory, rmdir. Then the name of the directory you want to remove, paste it right there. Then also note, you can use rm then hyphen rm then hyphen rm space hyphen r. But let me just continue. Hit enter here. So to check that you've done the correct thing, hit ls, then right there, empty directory is no longer there, so which means we have done the correct thing there. So this is everything, so let's go back to the project first, then hit check your code and start a new test. So just hold on for that, and there you go, we are correct, that's all done. So I'm moving on to more complex topic next. I'm moving on to very complex topic. So I suggest that you subscribe, so you will see and you will learn as you are watching this. So this is for you to see, like this video and subscribe. Sure, you know why you want to subscribe. I'm not the one that will tell you. Goodbye.